Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 road signs for you to learn and for you to understand. Let's start the lesson. Now, for you to become a driver, it is important you get to learn all the road signs, especially the ones you will come across on your daily day-to-day driving. It is important you understand these signs and you know what they mean. Because if you don't, then you don't really know what the sign is telling you to do. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to go over 5 signs which you will come across on your driving, on your daily day-to-day driving. So number 1, this one. So what does this one mean? Now it's on a red circle. Now first thing you need to remember, any sign with circle, it gives you orders. If it's a red one, it gives you orders what you must not do. And if it's a blue one, is giving you orders what you must do. So in this one you have a red circle, which means it's telling you what you must not do. So what's it saying to you? What can you see inside this circle? You have 2 cars, black one and a red one, next to each other. So what's it saying to you? It's telling you not to overtake in this road. No overtaking. This is what this sign is saying to you. Okay, circle, like I said, in the red is telling you what you must not do, and this one is saying no overtaking. Okay, now you have this one again, red circle. So what's it saying? Like I said, red circle gives you orders what you must not do. So in this case you have a car and a motorbike on the top. It's telling you no motor vehicles on this road, meaning any vehicle which has a motor not allowed to drive on this road. Push bike is allowed because it doesn't have a motor. In this case, car and bike, motorbike, which has motor, which has engine, not allowed to drive in this road. This is what this sign is saying. Okay, car and a motorbike both has motors, both has engine, not allowed to drive in this road. And like I said, push bike is allowed because it doesn't have a motor. Then you have this one, white with a black stripe. What does that mean? It's telling you national speed limit. Now the question is, how come this one doesn't have a speed inside? Because normally for you to drive in a road, a sign which has speed inside the circle telling you what the speed is, what's the maximum you could drive, what's the minimum you could drive. But in this one, it doesn't have a speed inside. Why not? It means national speed limit, and national speed limit could means for different road, it could be different speed. So if this sign you had it on a single carriageway, it means it's 60 if you're driving a car, and if you're driving on a dual carriageway or motorway, it will be 70. And this is why it doesn't have a speed inside. It's just telling you national speed limit, which means if it's on a single carriageway, it's going to be 60 if you're driving a car, and if you are driving a car on a dual carriageway or motorway and you have this sign, it means it's 70. And this is why it doesn't have a speed inside, because like I said, national speed limit means different for different road. Now you have this one. This time you have a triangle. Now if it's a triangle, what does that mean? What does triangle sign tells you? Triangle gives you warnings. So it gives you warnings of something. So if you see a triangle sign is saying something, it's giving you a warning of something. In this case, what's it saying to you? It's saying narrows ahead. And as you can see, both sides narrows, which means it's saying road narrows on both sides. Okay, so can you see inside? It narrows from both sides and it has a gap in the middle. Make sure to remember this because the next one relates to this one. So this one narrows from both sides and it has a space in the middle, in between. And it's telling you that road from both sides narrows. If it's just one side, it means that side is narrows, and if it's on the opposite, it means the other side is narrowing. In this case, it's saying both sides is going to narrow the road ahead. Then you have this one. This one, many learners, they get confused with the one previous and this one. This one, as you can see, is same, but it doesn't have a space in the middle, which means it's saying that dual carriageway ends. That's what it's saying to you. Remember, the other one had a space and it was telling you road is narrowing, and this one there's no space, which means the dual carriageway you are driving, it will end. It ends. That's what the sign is saying. It's giving you warning that the dual carriageway ends. That's what this sign is saying. So these are the 5 signs I am sharing in this video. I hope it helps. Like I said, these you will come across on your daily driving, on your day-to-day driving. I do have another video on road signs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. And if you need any help on learning to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course has more than 30 videos in it, everything a learner needs. I'll leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.